Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to deal damage with Ordnance in Apex Legends, and how to use grenades effectively in your matches. Ordnance offers two grenades like frag grenades, arc stars, and thermite grenades. These are great for damaging enemies, forcing them out of cover, and controlling fights. To use Ordnance, make sure you have grenades in your inventory. Press your grenade button to equip one. The default is G. Aim, and throw it at the enemy.
Thermite grenade out.
Try throwing grenades into doors
Frag out.
to destroy them. Corners,
Throwing thermite grenade.
or behind cover where
Frag
the
out.
enemies are hiding. Arc stars stick to enemies and deal heavy damage, so aim it directly at them.
Arc star out. I leveled up.
Thermite grenades are great for blocking paths and dealing damage over time.
Thermite grenade out.
Frag grenades work best when bounced into tight spaces.
Frag out.
Use Ordnance wisely to weaken enemies before pushing a fight. That is how to deal damage with
I want
Ordnance
bigger
in
arms
Apex
for
Legends.
hugging more friends.